Hi everyone, Rainey here, and today I want to take a moment to speak to you about my frustration, which is called the plywood dilemma. I've been looking at getting plywood for this boat, and so far I think the only thing that I can afford to cover it with is plastic. So, do you think it's going to float? Okay, I've been looking all over. There's a place here in Sanford called, what is it, Seacoast Hardwood. They seem to have about the best prices for plywood. However, this is supposed to be 5/8 inch on the sides and 3/4 inch on the bottom. Okay, and I need roughly 3, 6, 9, 12, about 14 sheets on the top and about 3, 6, 9, 10 sheets on the side. So the problem is the 3/4 inch plywood. Okay, there's different types. There's the fir, okay, which is the marine fir. There's the Meranti and there's the Okoume. Of course, Okoume is better. Meranti is right in the middle, and fir is fir. Well, 3/4 inch fir right now costs $165 a sheet. 3/4 inch Meranti is $285 a sheet. So you can see I'm getting up to, you know, $5,000 to $7,000 just for plywood. Problem is, the place I have only carries 3/4 inch. If they had, if they had the 5/8 inch, the 5/8 inch, they don't have fir. They only have Meranti, which is $235, $240 a sheet. So it would be cheaper for me to put 3/4 inch at about $165 a sheet, 3/4 inch plywood on the tops and the sides. Problem is, that stuff's heavy. Can you imagine holding a 3/4 inch plywood and putting it on the sides? So I'm asking your opinion. Where do people here in New England get plywood any cheaper? But most of the places that are affordable are out west. There's plenty of places where you can get it cheaper in California and Washington State, but I'm in Maine. Okay, I mean, I'll drive as far as Massachusetts to pick it up, but the places that used to carry it in Maine are closed. So here I am, whine. The plastic is looking good, don't you think? Now, this is a Jeff Spira design, and I went into Jeff Spira's book. He actually has a book he put out on plywood boats, and he says that you can get the AB exterior, so ABX plywood. Let me know what you think about that. I've thought about it, but even he says ABX is fine. You're going to be covering it with fiberglass. It doesn't matter because it's a fiberglass boat. But he also said if you're planning on keeping this in the ocean or for long periods of time, you really should go with the marine ply. Because I was looking into ABX. You can't find that around here either. It's all California, the West Coast, you know. But he was saying the ABX is good for boats that you're going to be pulling out of the water, small boats, but when you're getting into big boats and boats that are going to be like this, probably in the water for, well, when I'm on the loop, it's going to be in the water for about 1 year to 2 years, okay? You need to go with the marine ply. So I'm thinking of going with 3/4 inch fir, so marine fir, on the tops and the sides. Of course, in the front, I'm going to have to get probably 2 sheets of 3/8 to, you know, be able, because there's no way I'm going to bend the 3/4 inch ply. So my questions are, do you have any options for me? What do you think? And how much will 3/4 inch ply bend? Will I be able to get the curve of the side? I mean, it's not straight the whole way, so there is a slight curve. And I'm wondering if it's going to bend enough to be able to screw it into the you know, put screws and glue it into the frame and have it stay that way, or if it's we're gonna have problems with it. So for those of you that have done big boats, let me know what you think about it. And that's what I got going on right now. And let me know if you think the plastic is a good option. Looks good. And with that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.